thing.
Alright, we good? Everyone just back
Yeah.
up?
Let's go. Everyone get in. Drender.
Oh, good thing Leknat showed up.
Kel'Thuzad.
No Thunder Furies, Grumpy Takers off.
Read Juju, Frostspot.
Priest, you took my marks, so I'm taking them back.
Anyone have arrows? Extra arrows for whack?
Yeah, Hope and Shred. Plays perfectly.
I got.
If you need some, yes, I have some.
I got it. Thank you.
Just to triple
behind
check,
me,
I'm more dots, right, Duran?
Yes.
Yep.
Or actually, if you could be like not, that'd be great.
Okay.
Watch your thread
It's a
on
better mage
Bottom
position.
right. Got it. Yep.
Yeah, thanks, Thrashers. You fuck. Watch thread on these A-bombs, melee. Don't be dumb.
Please play perfectly.
Yeah, you don't need to improve exposed armor KT as well. It's got like no armor. Shreds up.
Dude, you never heard of negative armor value?
That's not till Wrath, bro.
So that's people fighting rogues in TVC.
Fucking loser mentality if I ever heard one. Checking the logs for uptime on KT.
With the batching changes, you guys don't hit as hard. It's weird.
It's fair? Is that what you said?
No, it's just weird. Like, you figure they just hit just as hard, but they don't.
They just nerfed the raid before the pre-patch, you know?
Probably.
Got an S in the fucking A.
Capo, do you have fort?
No. I was wondering why my health was so low. Fuck.
Pretty
Something's
decent
pushing
fight.
it off. Shit. No, it's not even their fault.
Yeah, you gotta keep an eye on that. The buff priority will push off the hour buffs.
I got 3 things pushed off on an Ubercon. Didn't even wreck. My roids, fort, and a mongoose.
Roids?
Yep.
Damn.
They're not the
I'm not canceling Bloodthirst or something?
I gotta not get spell crit anymore, DM. Tribute.
Why the fuck would you get that?
What a fucking idiot! I thought this guy played
Dynamite.
perfectly.
I used to
Dude,
get it
Dynamite.
first, so it didn't matter. I'm just not used to the whole
It's
new thing.
actually retarded.
Shut up, dude.
Hey, please,
Clear
please,
cons,
please.
clear
please.
cons, clear cons.
There's so many S's. Come on.
There is a lot of S.
Where are they?
They're behind the A right now.
S behind the A. Range, take care of that.
I can't cast that yet.
Don't forget to blow your fears in the last day bomb. Not yet, but
I need a target.
Read Juju Chill.
Skelly close, Skelly close.
Oh, guys, come on now.
Another one that's gonna hit 2.
There's 2 right here.
Can we get some help?
oh, we gotta blow our fears.
We're behind on Weavers. Like 2 behind.
Could a Rogo help?
I'm prepping them just with Scorches for everybody else. Don't even bother.
Skelly coming in.
Put him out.
Warriors, blow your fear here, please, if you haven't.
Vito, can you get the next A-bomb?
How are you on Weavers?
There's one in the corner over here.
Lattice
Faire,
Skelly.
Can I get it?
Melee need to start stack.
I need a target.
So it's like no threat on it right now.
The fuck? Pet. Fuck. Move pets. Zagog. Oh my god, dude.
Three frostbite.
CC Kevo.
Sheep, 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 sheep.
Bode, you got it. Put a
Hey,
shield
watch.
on.
Oh shit.
It's on B-Dub. It's on Grumpy. It's on Grumpy.
Please, sheep. Please, 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 please,
Oh
please.
my god, dog.
CC Kevo. Spell Kevo.
I fucking died.
He's all turned around.
Careful here, guys, with the stacks.
If a druid is near calculator, can you battle res calculator?
Eliana, nah.
I don't know where calculator. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Got it.
Heal triangle.
Heal triangle.
Nice.
Oh,
Your soul is bound to me now.
Don't cleave, don't cleave.
Sheep, 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 sheep. Advo's up. Okay, we're good.
Aid. Very well. Warriors of the frozen wastes, rise up.
anyone I should be res?
Kill.
Not
Zach's
yet.
got one.
Let none survive.
Princer has one.
That's two.
Polio's got the last one.
You okay?
Alright, no more shackled.
Last one came out the like northeast. Okay, X has got it.
It's still recharged.
Just burn boss, burn boss.
Let's go.
Choice.
Oh well. This Samson.
Nice clean clear.
Shall return.